குட்டீஸ், வெல்கம் டு Priya's Kids Diary. இந்த வீடியோ இப்பதான் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பாக்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க ஆல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Hi குட்டீஸ், welcome to our channel. Now we are drawing stationery kit. First we draw the diary. Come and draw with me. I love drawing. Do you like to draw? Let's draw the pencil. Wow, it's dancing. Now I'm drawing measuring scale. Sharpener. Eraser. Come on, cuties. Come and draw with me. Let's color. Red. Lemon yellow. Sky blue. Baby pink.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Red.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Sky
The
blue.
dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the
Yellow.
dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Pink.
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese.
Green.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone.
Orange.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
I'm going to school. We will see you on next video. Thank you for watching.